Good morning mga palangga. It's early in the morning. And gagawa tayo ng household chores. Well, I need to change the bed. And John is here. Good morning, yes. John.
Working very, very hard.
Don't give me that way.
What do you mean? I'm emptying dishwashing. I should be in my workshop making trailers. This is what I have to put up with. Look, she's violence with a carrot. That's what I have to put up with.
Honey,
no,
you don't need to do it. I can do it. Just leave it alone.
You said to
me.
Oh, you're going to say that now? It's empty. Yeah. Well said. Well
leave
said.
it alone.
Yeah.
Don't make me feel that I am the bad wife here.
See? Violence with a carrot. Fine.
Don't say that way.
I'm a beaten husband.
You're not.
A beaten husband. Anyway, I need to have some coffee now to try and get over the scariness of the carrot. Well, it's another beautiful morning, darling. It's not listening to me. That's what I have to do. Another beautiful morning.
Really?
But the thing is, darling, it's not as beautiful as you. Even though you hit me with the carrot.
No, I don't.
I'll hit you.
But don't say that I'm doing something and I told you I will do that.
When Cameron was switched off, she said, go downstairs and empty that dishwasher now. You know, she might only be 5 foot nothing, but my goodness, she's bossy.
Han, don't say that. They will believe you, please.
Well, I hope they do believe me. See? No, she's a good wife, really. Sometimes.
You are too, sometimes.
I'm the bestest, she told me.
No.
Right, come on. I need to go, darling. Okay, look you too.
You did not make me a coffee.
You said later.
Well, I am here now.
You'll have to put some more in because I didn't water out.
Jeez.
Darling,
see? I thought you were the bestest husband.
I asked you. You said, not now. Yes?
Yes? Oh, that smells good, hon.
Very good.
The pizza. We'll have crab stick salad and pizza and french fries for tea. Lazy tea today because yesterday we had a proper tea.
Off to the gas.
And yeah. Oh, I like the look
Excuse
of
me,
it.
darling, come on.
Mmm.
This is sweet chili.
Sweet chili.
As you will notice, I've not. You just want a quarter.
Yeah, quarter. Thank you. I'm so hungry.
Oh, it's hot. Trying to burn your mouth.
No. And a bit of crab stick salad. Is it good today?
Oh, it's excellent.
Excellent.
These fries, yeah. We have the French fry today with a golden brown French fry. Look at this. Perfect. How many would you like, darling?
I like French fries. That's it. I prefer French fries than chips. So I am here in my office mga palangga because I will answer one question. The question is from Geoffrey Davis. He is a foreigner, so I have to speak English. So I apologize to my bashers. Pagpasensya. So anyway, Geoffrey Davis, shout out to you. Thank you so much for your question. His question is, Mia, did you learn to drive here in UK or Philippines? I did learn to drive here in UK, and if you are interested about my whole journey or my driving experience here in UK, click right here because I did made a video about it. So if you're interested, just click right here. I will put that link right here. But I will still give you a quick story time about it because in that previous video I did not give any test results when I took my theory test and my practical test. So the first thing we did was we did apply a car insurance. That's very essential. That's a requirement. You cannot drive here in UK without car insurance. And the next step we did was apply for my provisional license. I don't really remember which one we did first. I think one way or another. So when we get my provisional license, we started going out and I got a very handsome instructor. So my instructor at that time was John, my husband. So I am very grateful with my husband for having a patience in teaching me to drive kasi we really not fight, but oh god, I don't want to go there. So yeah, we're starting going out like once a week, once in a fortnight, because I am very a nervous driver when I was practicing driving or learning to drive. And after that, I did take my exam, my theory test. I did take it 6th of April 2017, and theory test has two category, multiple choice and hazard perception. So you have to have at least 43 correct answers out of 50, and I have scored 47. And to my hazard perception, you have to have at least 44 out of possible 75, and I have scored 56. Ito siya, oh. So you will believe me. Where it is. There. So yeah, it's not a perfect score, but at least I did pass my theory test. And after I passed my theory test, we're very hands-on on going out. And then we are planning to do an intensive driving lesson, and I asked John if I could have like an assessment, see if I could cope up with the intensive driving lesson. So we inquired in our local training services, and luckily they did do a pre-assessment about intensive driving lesson. So I went out for a day with an instructor for 4 hours driving. It was 21st of August. And after my pre-assessment, the instructor said that I just need to have 14 hours. So I booked that intensive driving lesson, but because at that time they are very busy, I cannot get a slot. The earliest slot I could get was 6th of October. So my intensive driving lesson was 3 days, 4 hours per day, and in my 4th day I got 2 hours driving before my practical exam, and luckily I passed my exam for the first time. And here is a test result. I actually got a 5 faults. I think in England you have to have 15 minor faults. So my faults are appropriate speed and undue hesitation, because naalala ko, I remember now we are approaching in the village and I don't know what is the speed limit. I could not make my mind up. I think it is 30 or 40. So for me not to be like over speeding, so I stick with 30, and it actually 40 speed limit at that time. So 3 of that, and undue hesitation 2. So yun yung mga minark niya sa akin. So that's my mistakes or my fault. So Geoffrey Davis, so I hope I answer your question, and thank you so much. And mga palangga, this is it for me today because I am going to work. Yeah, so thank you so much for all your support. Even though my vlog for today is just very simple sit down video, but thank you talaga. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's it for me today. I will see you in my next video and bye. Mwah, mwah.